Rolling on today, boys. I say it's a pretty good week. We are down to 250 acres of wheat. We're starting when we did we cut 80 acres. We cut 80 acres today. It started at 10 o'clock. Started about 11 o'clock, and it's 4 o'clock now. These international combines, I'm telling you, they will eat the grain. We're keeping 3 trucks busy today. Anyway, this is anyway, it's pretty good wheat. Pretty good wheat. This farm average is making like 111. It's the farm average at the moment. It's the field average. This field's averaging 111. The farm we did yesterday, that y'all saw the video on, ended up making like 96. And so we got this farm here. We got just a little bit left here, and just over there, just about 20 acres here left. And then we got 30 acre field that joins this one through a gap, and then we got 210 acres. That's all we like. And so it's winding on down. I mean, I hope we got rained out day before yesterday. We had 6 inches of rain, which is very welcome. And but we won't ever start cutting yesterday until 2:30. We did get 90 acres cut, so we should be able to get 130 today, hopefully. 120. But yeah, limited factor, it does 113 bushel, 114 bushel. See? Shut up. I know it's inches out. I don't care. There's a 112. So yeah. Pretty good week. We're cruising on at 4.7, 4.9, 4.5. With a 40-foot acre header, he can eat up the acres. I think we're getting like 20-something acres an hour. So, anyway, we'll give him today. Like I said, tomorrow Sunday, hopefully we get some rain. The same rain tomorrow afternoon, whatever that's for. I don't know. If we don't get rain tomorrow, we'll be dang near close. We'll finish. We can finish. We'll probably be done Tuesday. But I'm hoping it rains. So I don't know. I'm hoping she rains. What are you doing? The GPS is actually stupid. There we go. But yeah, this is a 97 acre field. So yeah. How do you say this is beautiful wheat, beautiful thick wheat? This is Pioneer wheat. I can't remember the name of it. It looks really good. It is really good. So anyway, I'm tired, as you can tell. We cut last night at 8:30, and then we moved this morning. We had about a 30. We had about 30 minutes, but we had about a 15-mile move, which is a lot for us, a while for us. And it took a while, and I had to go through town, and there was a bunch of traffic, and it took way longer than it should have took. weekends, so it's never to get out there to remember the weekends. That's the way the cookie comes this time. But anyway, we're back close to home now. This is part of the home farm, so we're not the home farm, but it's part of the original farm. It's like 3 miles from the shop. So yeah, this is going on. We've owned it for years, and anyway, that's just how we all care about that. But anyway, there's 100 bushel. It's like I said, it's consistent week to week down through here, 98, 97. So anyway, I'll get y'all this video. This video's been on long enough, and I'll get y'all some more minutes later on.